Namaste, welcome to Sasreka's kitchen. Today I am making Barnyard millet upma. In Telugu, Barnyard millets are called Oodalu. Here I have some vegetables, some onion, chopped ginger and green chili, beans, carrot, some edamame seeds. This is optional. If you don't like, you don't have to. And some tomato. These are edamame seeds. If you haven't seen them, these are very good source of protein. You can substitute with peanuts if you want. And these are barnyard millets. They are very small in size. They are probably smaller than mustard seeds. They are called Oodalu in Telugu and they have a lot of fiber in it. I soaked 1 cup of barnyard millets for about 2 hours. They will be easy to cook if you soak them. First I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil in my skillet and heated on medium heat. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and some chopped ginger and green chili. Also add 1 or 2 red chilies, cut them into pieces. Once they are fried, add the onion and saute it for 30 seconds. Then add all the vegetables except tomato and saute them for 1 minute. Then add the tomato and stir them. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for a good color and some salt. Add 2 cups of water. You can actually add 2 to 2.5 cups of water, but I added 2 cups. Now cook it covered until the water comes to a boil. When the water is boiling, it's time to add the soaked millets. After adding the millets, give it a stir and cover it and cook for a few minutes until the millets are cooked. I added enough salt also, but the clip is missing, sorry. Let us see how the millets are. Looks like they are almost cooked. Stir it once and cook it in the low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. If you want your upma little sticky, you can add more water and cook it for few more minutes until it comes out a little sticky. Now let us check again. My millets cooked very well. They are nice and fluffy. Like I said before, if you want a little sticky, you can add more water. I only added 2 cups of water and the millets are soaked before, so now they came out nice and fluffy. Wait, it's not done yet. I fried a handful of cashews in 1 tablespoon of ghee and added to the upma. Actually, you can fry the cashews also with chana dal and urad dal, but I like it this way. Add some finely chopped cilantro and squeeze some fresh lemon juice. This is a delicious, healthy recipe for breakfast or your lunch box, or if you want a light dinner, you can enjoy this as a light dinner. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page and also visit my Telugu channel for more healthy recipes.